Imagine you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by piles of paperwork and sticky notes. Your to-do list is a mile long, and you're feeling overwhelmed. Ever wished there was a magical tool that could organize your chaotic life? A digital assistant that would keep track of your tasks, deadlines, and projects? Well, you're not alone. Many people are turning to project management tools to streamline their workflows and boost productivity. One of the most popular project management tools out there is Wrike. But if you're already an Office 365 user, you might be wondering, is Wrike part of Office 365? In this video, we'll dive deep into the relationship between Wrike and Office 365. We'll explore whether Wrike is a built-in feature, an add-on, or a completely separate tool. Understanding Wrike. Let's start by understanding what Wrike is. Wrike is a cloud-based project management platform that helps teams collaborate, manage tasks, and track progress. It offers a wide range of features, including task management, time tracking, file sharing, and reporting. Understanding Office 365. Office 365, on the other hand, is a subscription-based productivity suite that includes popular applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. It also offers cloud storage, collaboration tools, and security features. The relationship between Wrike and Office 365. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Wrike part of Office 365? The short answer is no. Wrike is not a built-in feature of Office 365. It's a separate product that can be used independently. However, Wrike and Office 365 can be integrated. This means you can connect your Wrike account to your Office 365 account and enjoy seamless integration between the two platforms. Benefits of integrating Wrike and Office 365. Integrating Wrike and Office 365 offers several benefits. Improved collaboration. You can easily share files and documents between Wrike and Office 365, making collaboration easier. Enhanced productivity. By connecting your tasks and projects in Wrike to your Office 365 calendar and email, you can stay organized and focused. Streamlined workflow. Integrating the two platforms can help you streamline your workflow and reduce the amount of time you spend switching between different tools. How to integrate Wrike and Office 365. Integrating Wrike and Office 365 is a straightforward process. Here are the basic steps. Sign up for Wrike. If you don't already have a Wrike account, create one. Connect your Office 365 account. In your Wrike account, go to the settings and look for the integration options. Connect your Office 365 account using the provided instructions. Start using the integration. Once your accounts are connected, you can start using the integration features, such as sharing files and syncing tasks. Additional considerations. While integrating Wrike and Office 365 can be beneficial, there are a few things to consider. Cost. If you're not already using Office 365, you'll need to purchase a subscription. Additionally, you may need to upgrade your Wrike plan to access certain integration features. Learning curve. Integrating new tools can take time to learn. You may need to spend some time familiarizing yourself with the integration features and how to use them effectively. Alternative options. If you're looking for a project management tool that's already integrated with Office 365, you might want to explore other options, such as Microsoft Planner or Microsoft Project. So, to answer the original question, is Wrike part of Office 365? No, it's not. However, Wrike and Office 365 can be integrated to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Whether or not integrating Wrike and Office 365 is the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. By weighing the benefits and drawbacks, you can make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.